Hello everyone, in this video we'll break down null objects in Alight Motion and I'll show you the exact steps to master null objects. So first, let's understand what a null object is. So a null object is a placeholder that allows you to control multiple clips or objects with a single entity. For example, if you have 4 clips and you want to move them all together, you can attach them to a null object. Then, when you move the null object, all the attached clip will move with it. Let's dive in and learn how to use null objects effectively in Alight Motion. So that's it for today. I hope now you understand that how to use it. And if you found this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.